Day 4 of the 30-day skincare challenge, DIY Nourishing Almond and Turmeric Glow Mask. Does your winter skincare feel like a battle with dryness and dullness? Stop wasting money on expensive products. Today we are diving into an all-natural DIY glow mask that will give you soft, hydrated and glowing skin. No chemicals, no fuss. And stay tuned because at the end I will share a bonus tip that will completely elevate your skin care routine. Ingredients are included: 1 tablespoon almond flour for softening and brightening, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder for an even, radiant complexion, 1 tablespoon yogurt for hydration and smoothness, 1 teaspoon honey to lock in moisture and fight dryness. Steps to prepare: combine almond flour, turmeric, yogurt and honey into a smooth paste. Application: apply the mask evenly and leave it on for 15 minutes. Gently separate the mask over your face and neck, avoiding the delicate eye area. Leave it on for 15 minutes to let the natural ingredients work their magic. Rinse with lukewarm water for soft, glowing skin. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and gently pat your face dry. Your skin will feel instantly smoother and more radiant. Benefits of the mask: almond flour loaded with vitamin E. It nourishes and softens the skin while adding a natural glow. Turmeric reduces redness and brightens your complexion, making it perfect for winter skincare. And the second last is yogurt. Deeply hydrate your skin and gently exfoliate with lactic acid, leaving it smooth and fresh. And the last one is honey. Keeps your skin moisturized and helps fight dryness, giving it a healthy, radiant finish. Bonus tip for a winter glow. Here's your bonus tip. After using this mask, always spread some rose water on your face as a finishing step. It locks in the hydration, keeps your skin refreshed, and acts as a protective barrier against winter dryness and dullness. Want to know the secret to maximize these benefits? Use this mask twice a week and combine it with a rich moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated 24/7. Did you love this glow mask as much as I did? Let me know in the comments below how it worked for you, and don't forget day 5 is packed with even more skincare magic. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated. Let's achieve that radiant glowing skin together with Dr. Beauty Blaster.